So this is my MPC live after the 2.2.2 firmware update, and it is not starting at all for me. It's just stuck, and if I try to cycle the power, I have to literally hold it for an extended period of time. Let's see if it'll do it this time. A minute ago it was just blinking, you know, all the lights would blink. The tap button would go amber for a few seconds, and then the tap light would just blink. So it'll stay on this for probably like about almost a minute, but it won't boot up. The screen will go blank, and then the lights will just start blinking. It will not come up to the screen that it's supposed to. And I've only had it for about, well, since December, and this is May, so, and it's been working perfectly fine up until this point, up until the firmware update. As you can see, it's still stuck here. And I tried doing it even with, you know, nothing plugged in. Even tried doing it with the battery. Does the, you know, just running off the battery does the same thing. So it's a Sunday, and Akai won't be open until tomorrow morning for any technical support calls. But it's just really frustrating right now to spend good money and then have to deal with this problem, this type of issue. Now here's where it's just gonna kind of do nothing. See, it just went out. See, that goes amber, and now it blinks a few times, and it's gonna just keep doing that for a while. Amber, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then solid, and then it goes out. I don't know if that's like a trouble code that it's giving off. Maybe somebody from Akai will see this video and have a clue. I have a 2 terabyte laptop hard drive installed in here, so if they want to just send me a replacement one, that would be great. You know, I'll just take my hard drive out and then just get a replacement, but they need to do something. It'll come to this, and then that goes away. As you can see, we're right back to where we were. This is all I get. And once again, like I said, this was after doing the 2.2.1 firmware update.